This is definitely one of my favorite meals, keto lasagna. Let me show you how I made it. Starting with a half of a green pepper and a half of an onion, I'm going to dice those up and add them to some olive oil. After they cook down a bit, I'll add some house seasoning that I make, which is just salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and parsley. And then I will add some minced garlic. Then I added in 1 pound of ground beef and a half a pound of ground sausage. To the meat, I'll add some Italian herb seasoning and another seasoning mix that I make myself. It's a spicier version with garlic powder, roasted garlic, onion powder, salt, pepper, spicy Danos, Cajun seasoning, and red pepper flakes. Then I just slice up some zucchini and add some marinara sauce. The Rao's is a good option, low sugar, low carb. While that simmers, I'm gonna get started on a cheese sauce, starting with a cup of heavy cream, and then about 4 ounces of cream cheese. Then I'm gonna add about a half a cup of mozzarella and a half a cup of freshly grated cheddar. Once that cheese melts, the cheese sauce is ready. And then I lined my dish with some parchment paper and sprayed it with olive oil. For the lasagna, I will just lay down some zucchini, and then on top of that, I'll add the meat and marinara sauce mixture, and then pour the cheese sauce on top of that. And then I'll do another layer of the zucchini, followed by another layer of the meat sauce. And then I will pour the cheese on top of that. And then for the final topping, I'm just going to add a layer of sharp cheddar cheese. And then I place this in the oven on 350 degrees for 45 minutes. For my side, I'm gonna have a salad with red onion and iceberg lettuce. I will also add in some boiled eggs and a little sharp cheddar. After 45 minutes, the lasagna was done and it cooked perfectly. Then I wanted to make a little drink to go with it. I made some ice cubes with strawberries in them, and then I paired that with this zero sugar pink lemonade. Love this lemonade, it's so good. And when the ice cubes melt, you have strawberries in it. Yes, it's kind of a big serving, but that's because this is my first real meal of the day. But this lasagna was so good. This was such a good meal, definitely one of my favorites. Tag me if you try it and hit the follow for more keto recipes and meal